From whiskey and wine to roses and petunias, Suntory has a storied history of bringing good things to life. Founder Shinjiro Tori opened his first shop in the city of Osaka in 1899. Envisioning a future in developing new products, he introduced the sweet Akadama port wine in 1907. The first Suntory whiskey debuted in 1937. It had an elegant square bottle with a taste that appealed to Japanese people. The second president, Keizu Saji, introduced Suntory beer in 1963. This led to an expansion in the beverage market, creating a new division alongside liquor. The 1990s brought even more expansion into non-alcoholic beverages, including Pepsi products, Boss coffee, tea, and sports drinks. But let's rewind and then move forward. During the 1980s, Suntory scientists developed the next new business, flowers. Revolutionary Surfinia petunias were born with a lush vigor and offered superior garden performance. Suntory's global flower business officially began in 1989. More than 30 years later, Surfinia petunias remain a top-selling global brand. In another breakthrough, through a partnership with Florigene, Suntory introduced Moondust, the first blue carnations. Sophisticated breeders used biotechnology to insert blue pigment, delphinidin, from petunias into carnations. Meanwhile, the garden business continued to bloom, and Suntory Flowers became its own company in 2002. For 14 years, Suntory and Florigene worked on breeding the first blue rose. This was achieved in 2004, and the next step was to develop it for commercial markets. After flowers, the next horticultural business to develop was vegetables. In 2008, Suntory's Honki Yasai brand of premium vegetables was launched. Suntory's vegetable lines are sold as produce and garden plants. The next year, Suntory Blue Rose Applause was introduced, fulfilling a long sought-after dream. Florists will later use Applause in famous designs. In 2012, after the Great East Japan earthquake, Suntory started the Red Flower Project to support regional revitalization and the next generation. In 2017, Suntory Flowers received the Horticulture Innovation Award from the International Society of Horticultural Science. Through dedication and innovation, Suntory Flowers has created a beautiful world alive with flowers and tasty vegetables. Moving forward, Suntory will continue to be guided by the spirit of Yate Minahare. This means go for it. Follow your dreams and dare to create the future.